Since it's always 5 o'clock somewhere, I head to Van Nuys, California, where I meet Shea Lewis, owner of Mixology Flaired, in his ultimate man cave, a garage bar / Flair bartending classroom.
Oh my word, you got a full bar in here.
Shea whips me up a Long Island iced tea in full Flair style.
Okay, vodka.
This gives the phrase bottoms up a whole new meaning.
Half ounce. We're gonna do a little rum, gin, both half ounce, and triple sec, lemon juice, simple syrup, makes a sour mix, a little bit of ice. This is where it gets fun. You know, not all Flair has to be crazy, bottles on fire and juggling.
You're amazing.
Hippie, hippie, shake. Give it up. Take that baby off, give it a little smack.
Okay.
Pour it right on top. And we're gonna top it with a little cola. If you grab me a lemon wedge, I'd appreciate it.
You got it?
Throw it up real high. My God. Give that a shot.
You're telling me I'm going to enjoy, for the first time in my life, a Long Island iced tea.
100%.
Here we go, I'll be enjoying that. It's great.
I told you.